Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video, I think my dog just farted. For today's video, I have a gift from my lovely friend Janine. So she has sent me a Christmas gift. This is People's, by the way. This is Ralph, my dog. Yes, People's. She has sent me a Christmas gift, and I'm so excited to open it. I didn't even know she was going to send me something, and then she's like, Merry Christmas, I sent you something. I was like, no, I didn't get you anything. But so thank you so much, Jen. You can follow her at For the Tomatoes right there. So without further ado, let's open this up. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Janine. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, the dogs are so excited. Do you want this? Do you want this? Do you? Oh my god, they're so excited. Janine, did you put dog treats in here? Because they are just freaking ready to go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, show me a card. Says Cerise1307 there. It's so cute. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, Janine. Yo girl, this oh my god, there's a Glam Glow set in here. This Glam Glow set came into work today and I instantly thought of you. You said it's hella expensive over there and it's hard to get. That is very true. It's like 100 plus. So it's kind of crappy to get. So I hope you enjoy this set. I also threw a sample of the moisturizer in here. It's not in stores here yet, hence why it's in a little cup. There's also a couple of other deluxe samples, some regular samples, a mask brush, and best of all, chocolate loonies. What is a loonie? Oh, she answers it here. Loonies is what we call our $1 coin because there's a loon on them. We also call our $2 coin a toonie. Oh, the Purity Cleanser is also a great brush cleaner. It's actually what we use at Sephora because she works at Sephora. Shout out Sephora! Happy Christmas, Merry Holidays. I hope you enjoy this stuff. Love from Canada. So Free the Tomatoes, Janine. That is so sweet. Thank you so much, Janine. Right. Anyway, let's open her up. What do we have? Oh my god, it is the Glam Glow. Oh my god, all of the masks. So there's a Super Mud clearing treatment, tingle exfoliate treatment, firming treatment, hydrating treatment, brightening treatment, oh my god. This is oh my god, this is amazing. Let's have a look at her. Look, guys. Oh my god, thank you so much. That is so amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god, look, it's a little brush to put all of the things on, like put the masks on. Oh my god. So exciting. Okay, so Dream Duo Overnight Transforming Treatment. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so nice. Oh, here's one of the loons. Is this the loon? Here we go. So you guys can see. And I'm so eating this now. Like, don't you know? I'm so eating this now. Okay. Let's see what the chocolate coins taste like. Do you want it? Do you want it? You come. It's mine. It's like, I've never tasted this before. It's like here at Easter egg chocolate baby dough. It's really good. It's really good. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. A Smashbox full exposure mascara. Yes. See the wand there. Oh my god. Because it's a mini, but look how big that is. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Oh, an Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. And Sticks and Bones. Oh my god, just the colour on the back looks beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, look how amazing that is. Oh my god, I've never seen these. Like, I don't even think they have these in New Zealand yet. That's so freaking cool. Oh, and this must be the little moisturizer in the little tub. That is so freaking cute. Such a cute little moisturizer. Oh my god. Oh no, this is a hydrated. Oh, so there's another moisturizer in here. That is wicked. That is wicked. Oh my god. There's so much stuff in here. Oh my god, this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I've been wanting this for so long, but it's so literally expensive here. Oh my god. She hooked me up. She hooked me up. There's another coin. Yes, because I actually really liked this. So there is another coin, so I'm stoked about that. Because I'm going to eat that after this video. So I've got 3 masks, a Purity Made Simple, a Sugar Face Polish, and a Purity, so a cleanser. So these must be the cleansers that you use as brush cleaners as well. And then this one here, you can hear Stranger Things in the background. My household is obsessed. Oh my god. And that's it. Oh my god, Janine, are you joking? This is honestly so nice. Thank you so much. I am dying for all of these Glam Glow things. My skin is literally gonna be just popping. It's gonna be amazing. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Janine. And if you in this, oh my god, it is like the most perfect color. Thank you so much, Janine. I'm gonna have to go buy you a present now. Damn girl, I'm gonna go buy you one now. But oh my god, I feel so spoiled. Thank you so much, Janine. Thank you so much. And I love you. I do. And I love all my subscribers as well. And I thought I would do this video. I'm not trying to show off or anything like that. I just really wanted to share with you guys my friends and what, yeah, just show off my friends. And I'm really proud of Janine. She's a small YouTuber and she has got so many subscribers now. And I'm just so stoked. So you guys should give her a follow there. Subscribe to her for the tomatoes. And don't forget to subscribe to me if you're new here. Hello. I have dogs, I have makeup, I have pink hair. I'm ready to be your friend. And yeah, I'm just so excited. Like, YouTube brought me and Janine together. We subscribed to each other. She loved my videos, I loved her videos, and we just hit it off. And so we've done a makeup swap together, which I will link down below. I feel like I need to do a video of meeting her in real life. And Janine, are you keen to meet up in real life? I feel like we need. She lives in Canada, I live in New Zealand, on the other sides of the world, and it just goes to show that YouTube can bring people together. And we should all be banding together, us YouTubers, and just people in general should band together instead of fighting each other and making up rumors and all this bullshit. And there's just so much shit going on YouTube at the moment, and it's just a bit crazy, and I feel like we need to stay grounded and care about one another. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and I love you, Janine, and thank you so much. And if you guys want to see any more videos like this, or if you guys want to send me anything, or if you want to do makeup swaps with me or anything like that, then comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram, which is Cerise1307. And until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.